Okay, in this video I will talk about the release of neurotransmitters from the presynaptic neuron during synapse. Here is the picture I made of a synapse between two neuron cells. This is the presynaptic cell, and then this is the postsynaptic cell. And then this is a close-up of the axon terminal of the presynaptic cell and the dendrite of the postsynaptic cell. And then, okay, so basically, the release of neurotransmitters from presynaptic neuron happens when the action potential from the axon, which is here, the action potential from the axon reaches the axon terminal and then activates calcium voltage gated channels, which are right over here. Once these channels are activated, calcium from outside the presynaptic cell enters the axon terminal of the presynaptic cell. And this happens because calcium ion concentration is higher outside the presynaptic cell than inside the presynaptic cell. So when the calcium voltage gated channels open from the action potential, the calcium ions outside of the cell move down their gradient and into the presynaptic cell because there's a lower concentration inside the cell of calcium ions. Okay, then this influx of calcium ions causes the vesicles, which are here, that contain neurotransmitters, which are the little dots, within the axon terminal to fuse with the cell membrane of the presynaptic cell, which is here. Once they fuse, this is also called exocytosis because the vesicles fuse with the plasma membrane, and then the contents of the vesicles, which are neurotransmitters, get released into the synaptic cleft, which is the space in between the axon terminal of the presynaptic cell and the dendrite terminal of the postsynaptic cell. So this is it's right here, the synaptic cleft right here, it's labeled. But yeah, so the neurotransmitters get released here, and that's, basically how neurotransmitters are released from the presynaptic neuron during synapse. But yeah, thank you for watching.